Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Oralrex Ultrasonic Electric Toothbrush designed for adults with a U-shaped automatic brush head for 360-degree cleaning and teeth whitening. This toothbrush features food-grade silicone bristles that are gentle on gums while reaching back teeth to remove 200% more stains effectively. With up to 40,000 brush movements per minute, it promotes gum health through vibration massage and helps fight bad breath. You can choose from 4 brushing modes including powerful, comfortable, gingival protection, and teeth whitening for a personalized clean. The device is IPX7 waterproof, allowing safe use in the shower, and charges wirelessly in just 30 minutes for up to 10 days of use. Inside the box, you'll find a toothbrush handle, a silicone brush head, wireless charging dock, and a helpful instruction manual to guide your routine. Experience a healthier, whiter smile with advanced cleaning technology that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.